Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a custom mockup in Smartmockups, a web-based app with which you can create professional product mockups. So in terms of custom mockups, I've created two tutorials, basic and advanced. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the advanced settings to create a custom mockup. So I'm logged into my Smartmockups account. From this menu up top, click on Custom, and it'll bring you to this page. As you can see, I've created a few custom mockup templates. I'll replicate this custom mockup in this tutorial. So click on Create New Mockup, and on this page, you can drag and drop your image here, or click this link to upload your image, and that's what I'll do. I'll navigate to my folder, choose my image, and click Open. This will open the mockup editor. This is the preview section, and as you can see, it's placed a placeholder here. In this right side section is where you can edit the mockup template. You can click here and then choose a preset placeholder, and as you can see, there are quite a few presets here. I'll choose t-shirt, and as you can see, it's resized the placeholder in the preview section. I can then start placing this placeholder on the image so that it covers the t-shirt by using these handles in the corners and accordingly adjusting it like so. In this right side section, you'll see these advanced settings. I'll enable the 3D mesh warp, and I'll use my mouse roller to zoom in. And as you can see, it's added multiple edit points on this placeholder. And then I'll start adjusting the 3D mesh using these points like so. And next, I'll drop down the eraser section using this drop down arrow. This will give you access to the magnetic brush and these sliders. I'll use this button to enable the magnetic brush, and I'll reduce the brush size using this slider. Next, I'll choose the erase under erase/paint, and then use the magnetic brush to erase the side sections of the t-shirt like so. If you make a mistake like I did here at the bottom, you can activate the paint brush and then use the brush to fix that portion like so. Let me go back to the placeholder section at the top. Also, I'll enable the multiple blending mode option because this is a white object. If you need to, you can use multiple placeholders using this Add Placeholder button. You can rename the custom mockup if you need to. I'll rename it to Demo. Finally, you can click the Save and Quit button once you're happy with the custom mockup. And as you can see, it saved my custom t-shirt mockup here. If you need to edit the placeholder, you can come back here to this custom mockup section and then hover your mouse over the mockup. Click this 3 horizontal dots icon and choose Edit Mockup. And then edit the placeholder if you need to. Let me go back. And when you need to use the custom mockup, come back to this section and then click on the custom mockup. It'll then open the mockup editor where you can edit the mockup just like any other pre-made mockup template, but that's pretty much it. And here's an example of how I edited the custom t-shirt mockup with one of my logo images on it. You can check the link in the description section to try Smartmockups for free. Well, hope you found this Smartmockups tutorial helpful. You can check these videos to learn more about Smartmockups, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.